a Bengal tiger, a female. Her orange and black coat is crucial to her success. She may appear conspicuous to our eyes, but not so to these chital deer. Chital have only 2 types of colour receptors in their eyes compared to our 3, which means that they are effectively blind to red and orange. This is how we see the world. And this is how the deer do. The tiger's orange coat to them is a muted shade of green, so it's nearly impossible for the deer to register. The odds appear stacked in the tiger's favour. They have help from an unusual ally, langur monkeys. They're known as the eyes of the forest, and their colour vision is excellent. Their eyes, like ours, have 3 types of colour receptors, and they can see orange. The langur sounded the alarm before she could get close enough. She will have to find a new target. Down by the water, she finds one. Sambar deer. They have the same limited eyesight as the chital, but ears like satellite dishes. The deer seem to sense danger. Despite her effective camouflage, most hunts end like this. Less than 10% of her attacks are successful.